Hello dear students. Today we are going to see foundation course paper 1 semester 1. As you know, foundation course is compulsory in Mumbai University at first year and second year BA, BCom, BSc and other self-financing courses like BMS, BAF, BBI, BFM, etc. Today we are going to see the syllabus of FC1 semester 1. Okay. For first semester in FC there are 5 units. First unit is overview of Indian society. Second unit is concept of disparity part 1. Third unit talks about concept of disparity part 2. Fourth unit talks about the Indian constitution and fifth unit talks about significant aspects of political processes. Now let us see each unit one by one. First unit is overview of Indian society. In this unit, you will see understanding the multicultural diversity of Indian society through its demographic composition. Students, you know, here you will learn India as a multicultural society. There are different characteristics of Indian culture. For example, India is a multilingual, India is a multi-religion, caste system is there in India, then intra-group cultural differences are there in Indian society, then there is an influence of the Western culture on the Indian society, on the Indian culture, etc. All these things you will learn. Likewise, you will also learn demographic composition of India. Okay, you know, demography is a study of population. Okay, you learn here. Now, second point is population distribution according to religion. You know, there are 8 religions in India like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, then Jainism, Judaism, then Zoroastrianism, etc. You will learn this religion, of course, population distribution according to religion, then population distribution according to caste. Okay, you will see caste wise composition of population here. Then here you will see gender wise composition of population. Okay, gender wise means number of females, number of males, etc. Okay, so all these things you will hear. Then third subtopic of unit 1 is appreciate the concept of linguistic diversity in relation to the Indian situation. You know, India is a land of multilingual society, okay, multilingual people. In India, there are more than 1600 languages and dialects. And of course, these Indian dialects are classified into 4 families. For example, Indo-Aryan family of languages, Dravidian family of languages, Sino-Tibetan family of languages, Austric family of languages, etc. These things we will see here. Okay. Then next is understanding the regional variations according to rural, urban and tribal areas or tribal characteristics. Here you learn rural characteristics, urban characteristics and tribal characteristics. You know, in India, more than 70% population is living in rural areas. Okay, we are very much familiar with rural and urban areas. Okay, you learn those characteristics. Okay, here. Then next, fifth subtopic of unit 1 is understanding the concept of diversity as a difference. All these things you will learn in unit 1. Now let us come towards unit 2. One second. Just wait. Unit 2 talks about concept of disparity. Okay, here you learn first you learn understanding the concept of disparity as arising out of stratification and inequality. You know, there are different stratas in the society, in the Indian society, high class, middle class, lower class, upper, in that way. Okay, this kind of stratification creates inequality in the society. Okay, why does it happens, and means what are the causes, effects, etc. All these things we learn here. Then next is explore the disparities arising out of gender with special reference to violence against women. Then, okay, violence against women, you know, okay, there are different reasons of violence against women. Okay, there are different. One of the major reason is, India is having patriarchal system. Patriarchal system is what? Male dominated society. Okay, so you'll see what are the major causes or reasons of and types of violence against women. Okay, the next, female feticide, female infanticide. These are actually major causes. Female feticide and female infanticide are major causes of declining gender ratio or declining sex ratio. Okay, female feticide and infanticide are also violence, kind of violence against women. Okay, female feticide and female infanticide, causes of female feticide and infanticide we will see in detail here. Okay, the next is portrayal of women in media. Here you learn about this role of media in creating positive and negative image of a woman, that is portrayal of women. Okay, in media we will see in detail. The next subtopic of unit 2 is appreciate the inequalities faced by people with disabilities and understanding the issues of people with physical and mental disabilities. Disabilities means, you know, handicapped persons, disabled persons. Here you learn what are the causes, then effects of disabled people, what are the causes of mentally, physically handicapped people, what is the role of society in solving their problems, what is the role of government, there are some remedial measures to protect their rights, etc., etc. We will see here. Okay, in short, here you will see what are the major problems faced by the people with disabilities, and of course disabilities also creates inequalities in the society. Okay, what is the role of society in solving or to control this kind of inequalities, the society, we will see in detail. Now next unit is concept of disparity part 2. It talks about examine inequalities manifested due to the caste system and intergroup conflicts arising thereof. Then understanding intergroup conflicts arising out of communalism. Examine the causes and effects of conflicts arising out of regionalism and linguistic differences. That means what? Here you will learn how casteism, communalism, regionalism and linguism are major causes for intergroup conflicts. Okay, what are the, of course, casteism, communalism, regionalism and linguism. These are major causes of intergroup conflicts. Okay, then we will see, you will also see effects, what are the effects of communalism, casteism, regionalism, linguism, etc. Then what is the role of youth in solving these kind of problems. Okay, so all these things you'll learn in third unit. Okay, Now let us talk about fourth unit. Fourth unit is the Indian Constitution. Okay, it has 5 subtopics. First subtopic talks about the philosophy of the Constitution as set out in the preamble. Preamble means, it's an introductory note of the Constitution. Okay, when you read preamble, then you will get an idea about the Constitution. Okay, you will learn here. Then the structure of the Constitution, that is the preamble, main body and schedules. There are different schedules of the Constitution, you will see here. Okay, then third point is fundamental duties of the Indian citizen. Fourth point is role of tolerance, peace in maintaining communal harmony. Okay, this you will see here, or you can say tolerance, peace and communal harmony as a crucial value in strengthening the social fabric of Indian society. Or you can say role of peace and tolerance in maintaining brotherhood in the society. You will see here, you will learn here. Then next is basic features of the Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is the longest and lengthiest constitution in the world. Okay, so you will see here. Okay, there are different characteristics or you can say features of the Indian Constitution. So, for example, flexibility, etc. Okay, so these features or characteristics you will learn here. Now let us come towards fifth unit. Fifth unit talks about significant aspects of political processes. Here you learn about Here you learn about the party system in Indian politics, local self government in urban and rural areas. The next, the 73rd and 74th amendments and their implications for inclusive politics. Here you have to understand that 73rd amendment talks about rural local self-government and 74th amendment talks about urban local self-government. Okay. The next, you learn role and significance of women in politics. Okay. So all these things you will learn in unit 5th. Okay, here we have seen syllabus of FC1 semester 1. Okay, in next video we will start first unit. We will see first unit. Okay, till then, goodbye, have a nice day.